Seasonal hiring may seem like a straightforward process, but it's important to remember that the same laws governing pay transparency, privacy, and AI usage still apply. Don't make the mistake of assuming these regulations don't matter for temporary workers. The complexity of compliance. State laws vary widely, which can be a challenge for employers operating across multiple states. For example, pay transparency laws differ significantly, with some states requiring employers to disclose a wage range for all job postings, regardless of whether the position is seasonal or permanent. Currently, 14 states and the District of Columbia have implemented such laws. Data privacy and California's unique approach. Employers must also navigate state privacy laws. While some states don't cover data collected on job applicants and employees, California's law does. In California, employers must provide a privacy notice when collecting job applicant data, allow individuals to access and correct their information, and give them the option to opt out of data sharing or sale. Background checks and documentation, a delicate balance. The pressure to quickly hire seasonal staff can lead to legal risks. Neglecting compliant background checks may result in negligent hiring liability or exposure to laws governing the hiring process. Moving too fast could also inadvertently violate immigration or child labor laws, especially if proper documentation isn't obtained. AI in hiring, efficiency versus discrimination. Employers often use AI to streamline hiring, but this technology can introduce legal risks. As companies rely more on AI for hiring decisions, they may inadvertently violate state and federal anti-discrimination laws. Certain state laws require human oversight in hiring decisions to prevent discrimination based on protected characteristics, and these laws typically apply to both seasonal and permanent positions. Taking action amid the rush of seasonal hiring, employers must ensure that their policies and practices align with the law. It's crucial to review and update hiring procedures, especially regarding pay transparency, data privacy, background checks, and AI usage. Managers should be thoroughly trained on recent changes to state laws to mitigate the risk of discrimination, immigration, or child labor violations, and other liabilities. Stay informed with Ogletree Deacons for the latest updates on background checks, cybersecurity and privacy, employment law, hospitality, pay equity, retail, and technology. For more detailed information, visit the Ogletree Deacons client portal